Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Cumming, Georgia today. It's about 1:45. We've got a $280 job we're doing here. Not much to see. The carpet's in pretty good shape. We've got master bedroom, closet, 3 secondary bedrooms, loft hallway here. And living room instead of stairs. Carpet's in actually great shape. It's going to be quick, easy clean. It's a move out situation. That homeowners have a pet owner, and they're required to clean it before they move out because they had a pet. So we're throwing deodorizer in for them. But like I said, not much to see here at all. So it's looks like 1:45. We'll get it knocked out and go from there. Okay, it's 2:30. We just finished up with this 1:30 job. It was a $280 job. Running you back through, there's not much to see, as I mentioned in the walkthrough. Did treat it for odor. It's obviously a move out clean. Everything's nice and tidy. I love these kind of jobs where there's no spots or things of that nature, although as we've mentioned before, there's no extra charge for spots or heavily soiled areas, things of that nature. So it's again, it's 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden fees of any kind. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Business opportunities are available. You can find those also on the web at omgfloorcare.com/Mondays or omgfloorcare.com/no truck mount. Our process is not a truck mounted carpet cleaning. You can see over there you got some matted carpet, which is why you can see the lines here, here, and here. We can take out dirt, we can't take out wear. That's why there's very distinguishable vacuum marks. So thanks for watching. Be kind. We will see you next time. Take care.